107 people in Cameron County have been tested for Zika so far this year. And Health Department Administrator Esmeralda Guajardo says a majority of those people tested have been minors.
Yeah, Channel 5's Daisy Martinez in our Cameron County newsroom to explain why. Daisy?
107 people tested for Zika in Cameron County were minors ages 11 to 17 detained at an immigration center. Cameron County health officials tell us of those, 4 of them tested positive for Zika. Health Administrator Esmeralda Guajardo tells us 2 of those positive minors were pregnant girls from El Salvador. Health Administrator Esmeralda Guajardo tells us 2 of those positive minors were pregnant girls from El Salvador. The other 2 minors were from Mexico. All 4 were tested during their detention at an immigration center in Cameron County. At this point, Cameron County has only had 3 cases of Zika, 2 confirmed and 1 classified as probable since too much time had passed and the woman suspected of having the virus couldn't be tested anymore. Although these 4 minors tested positive for Zika, those cases aren't considered part of the Cameron County total because they were only passing by. The state requires those results to be reported and added to the counties where those minors were sent to.
It goes with everything in terms of public health. If you're going to travel somewhere, you need to have that situational awareness. You need to be aware of what are the public health threats out there. And so if you're going to travel to Mexico, you're going to travel to any parts of the country where there's Zika, you need to be very careful. You know, flu season's coming around, and that's the other thing too. You know, a pregnant woman needs to be careful for her health. If she needs to stay away from the flu as much as she has to stay away from the Zika.
Guajardo says the county works closely with immigration facilities who are required by law to report Zika testing to the county. All 3 cases in Cameron County involved travel into Mexico. With the holiday season just around the corner, Health Administrator Esmeralda Guajardo says people who are making plans to travel into Mexico need to be aware of their surroundings. She adds despite the minors at immigration centers making up the majority of Zika testings in Cameron County, she said most are testing negative. From the Cameron County Newsroom, Daisy Martinez, Channel 5 News at 6.